Yo, great guys. So welcome back to my channel once again. So I have another opportunity for you to get a free funded account, which is 5K. Okay, so remember this account is a simulated capital, it's not a real fund. So I'm going to show you every step in order to claim this. It's a competition account, but this one is different. Even when you rank at the first place, you are going to win a lot of packages. So let's run to my Discord that I show you this update very quick. Okay, it's from Aqua Funded. Okay, many people know about that program. They have been in the system for a very long time now. Aqua Funded free trading competition. Okay, the announcement was made today, which is 8th of January, that I'm recording this video. So any or in a couple of months or next month, this may expire. Okay, so I'll show you everything. So this was the announcement. You can also come and do your own research about it. Okay, so they are saying MacBook and Air 15, MacBook Air 15 Plus, 3,000 instant funded will be given to the first place or the first person. Okay, so this funded account or instant funded they're talking about, it's not a real fund, it's a funded account that you get, and then you trade on it to showcase your trading style and get reward for it. Now second place is going to get an iPhone 17 plus, 200,000 instant funded account, and the third place iPad Air plus 10,000, 100,000 instant funded account. Okay, so from first to third position, that is the price allocated for it. It's publicly available. You can come and read about it or do your own investigation. Okay, based on the information online or on their Discord server is what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just showing you the information. They do your own research before you engage with them. So from fourth place to the 10th place, price plus cash. Okay, so and then every participant get 5,000 pay after pass account. Okay, so for every participant that participate through this is going to get a 5,000 funded account. Remember to do your own research about this to get a clarity. If you are not getting anything clear, you can chat them on their platform and wherever you get them, and then ask them questions about this. Okay, I'm also going to do my own questioning on them before. If I like them, I will engage with them. So I'm just showing you the information that is available now for you to get access to this opportunity to claim an account. If you like this kind of video and want to be getting updates on free funded account, this is your best channel to subscribe to. I drop video onto the channel every single day. So hurry up now and go down to the video description and join my Telegram channel too. I share signals and Forex tutorials there to earn some updates about Forex trading, Forex funded account as well. So with that being said, tomorrow we'll meet again on another update. Goodbye.